open on the world's greatest detective. His name has been and will always be Buck McPherson.
I'm Buck McPherson. I'm the world's greatest detective.
He wakes up one morning after he stops his monologue and says, "Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Where is my Vespa gone?"
Where's my Vespa gone?
He must frantically search for his Vespa. He goes out to see and only sees the first hobo. He goes out to the hobo and asks them,
Excuse me, have you seen my Vespa?
The hobo responds with only what a hobo could say.
Sturdy tree.
I know, I don't have change. I don't like you people.
Buck remembers his hatred of the homeless and moves on. He goes to the only place that he knows he can get information, the bar. He walks in and he goes up to the bartender and asks him, "Where is my Vespa?"
Excuse me, have you seen my Vespa?
I haven't seen your Vespa, no.
Buck presses further for more answers, sorry.
I get the words answers and questions confused sometimes.
Buck just asks again, goddammit!
Have you seen my Vespa?
Did you check behind the Stensrud theater?
Buck had obviously checked behind the Stensrud theater.
Of course I checked there.
The bartender is fed up and tells him to go find someone else to question.
Get the fuck out of here.
The bartender is fed up and asks, "Go find someone else to question." Buck walks to the nearest prostitutes. Her name is Desire. And he asks about his Vespa.
Desire, how's his Vespa?
No, he asks, where has his Vespa gone?
Desire, where has his Vespa gone?
Buck asks about Buck's Vespa.
How is Buck's Vespa?
Buck does not speak in the third person. Buck speaks like a normal human being. Buck asks, where has his Vespa gone?
Desire, where has my Vespa gone?
Desire answers with something super slutty.
You'll have to find it.
Yes! Buck is confused. He asks, "Is the Vespa in your vagina?"
I'm not sure how to phrase this. Has the Vespa gone down under?
Desire is upset, and she lets him have it.
Going.
Desire really lays into him.
Get away.
Turns out Desire is the nicest human being. Buck is out of options at this point. He's wandering the street, and he wanders in a dark alleyway, and he sees a creepy person. And he asks the creepy person, maybe this creepy person has seen his Vespa.
Have you seen my Vespa, creepy person?
I think I have.
Where have you seen my Vespa? He asks.
Where have you seen my Vespa? He asks.
I think I've seen it at the Dino Museum.
Of course! The Dinosaur Museum! Naturally! Buck remembers that he got sloshed there, and remembers the story as he's walking to the Dino Museum.
That's right.
But he doesn't say any of the story out loud, he just walks in silence.
Well, it's pretty simple, really. I was at the Dino Museum, and I had a flask with me. And I drank out of it, as people with flasks do.
Buck has arrived at the Dino Museum, and he asks the person at the front desk about his Vespa.
Have you seen my Vespa?
It is a dinosaur museum for humans! Buck is afraid of the Velociraptor. Buck runs away from the Velociraptor.
Oh my God!
He runs back into his home and talks to his cat. He always talks to his cat, and he asks the cat, will he ever find his Vespa?
Will I ever find my Vespa, Mr.
The cat responds as only a cat can. Buck remembers he left his Vespa in his garage.
Oh, that's right!
Buck, another day saved by Buck McPherson, the greatest detective ever.
Please spread the word, you friggin' turds.